I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving, and if you stuffed your face with too much food, I've got a beginner 10-minute home cardio workout that's gonna burn those calories off. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to today's workout. My name's Frank. I'm a certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition coach with my 3 main goals of helping you feel, move, and look better through mobility, training, and nutrition. Now, real quick, if you like, go ahead and skip down below. If you want to just nail this workout, just go ahead and click that link in the description or also in the comment section, and you can get right to it. But with that being said, if you're watching this after Thanksgiving, I hope you had a lot of good food, just like I did. And if you did and you need to burn some calories, well, you're in luck because we've got a beginner 10-minute full body cardio workout that's gonna do just that. And also it's no jumping. Other than one of these movements has got a little lateral shuffle, but we'll get into all that in just a second. So we've got 10 moves, okay? Now we've got 5 of those moves that are unique. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna repeat that again. So with that being said, I did get a video request on how to change up some of the dynamics of my workouts. I'm gonna try something a little different today. I'm gonna go ahead and through the first 5 exercises, I'm gonna coach you through it, and then we're gonna go ahead and repeat those, and I'm gonna just blast the music on and we're just gonna knock it out. So first half of the video is instructional. I'm gonna teach you and educate you and guide you on what to do, and then the last half, I'm just gonna be rocking it out right with you, okay? So with that being said, let's grab our water bottles, let's get hydrated, and let's smash today's workout. All right, let's get 15 seconds on the clock, and we're gonna go ahead and get a little bit of water, stay hydrated as always. All right, first move, we got a squat to calf raise, overhead reach. Little quick pace, so quick squat, overhead calf raise and reach. So I'm coming down, pushing the knees out, and basically I'm just kind of arcing up with the hands, and I'm keeping my abs tight and my stomach drawn in. So I'm coming up onto my calves here. Normally we would squeeze the glutes on top of a calf raise, and since this is a cardio workout, guys, using your legs and squatting and lunging and all that, that's cardio. Anytime you can get your heart rate up, doesn't have to be jogging in place and jumping. It can just be doing a full body movement like this. So the reasoning behind this is that I'm getting into squat, opening my hips, getting my glutes, and I'm bouncing up onto my calves so I can prepare my body for the rest of the workout. So again, squatting, reaching, coming up, boom. We'll take a little 15-second break. And next move, we got a lateral 2-step shuffle, cross touch. So I'm just gonna be shuffling twice, cross touch, shuffling twice. And this is where we're gonna start picking up our heart rate and working the calves a little bit. So start on one side, shuffle twice, tap, 1, 2, boom, 1. And we're just going side to side, 2 shuffles, cross touch, abs tight. And then when I come down, again, I'm trying to get a nice squat. So I'm not trying to round my back like that. As I squat, I come down, okay? So 2 shuffles, tap. Try and cross the feet. Get a squat with every rep. Breathe, and we're coming down. This is gonna be the only most ballistic part of the move here, where we're getting in our cardio. Is not quite jumping, okay? And it shouldn't be too bad onto your knees. Boom, all right, take a little breather. Next, we got a forward bear crawl, squat up, shuffle back. So we're gonna get down on our hands, onto the balls of our feet. We're gonna bear crawl forward quickly, squat up, shuffle on back. So we're down, bear crawl forward, squat, shuffle back. Boom, bear crawl forward. All right, push back up into squat, and then shuffle back real quick. So the whole idea here is we're staying moving the whole time. Boom. You should feel your quads catching on fire a little bit. And then we're just pushing back. So the idea here is I'm not trying to round my back too much, drop the hips and drop the butt. That'll make the move a little bit harder. And then pushing back. Again, keep the stomach pulled in, abs are tight. Squat, nice shuffle. We're gonna feel our thighs burning a lot the whole time through this workout. So be ready for that. Whew, already getting it going. Next 2 moves, we have a quick half rep reverse lunge to high knee. We're gonna do these in a fast paced motion. We're just gonna take our heart rate up, okay? So we're coming down, quickly. Boom. I say half rep because I'm not bringing my knee all the way down and all the way up. I'm just kind of barely, not even grazing it. I'm just trying to lower halfway down, pumping the hands and knees. When I come down opposite hand and knee, like a sprinter, and I'm just going fast. I'm just staying on one side, trying to keep my back flat. My back may round a little bit, but just want to push through the heels, drive that knee up. Every time I pick my knee up, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Every time you exhale, pull that stomach inside so you can squeeze your abs tight. All right, we're gonna do the exact same thing onto the opposite side. And after we finish that last move, we'll get the music blasted and we'll just rock right through it. So, same deal. Going back, other leg, boom, quick. These are just quick lunges. We're not going all the way down. We're coming almost all the way up. Again, the whole time, even when I come up, I don't lock out that knee. Keep it a little bent. Exhale. Breathe with every rep. Drop, lunge. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Nice pumps, nice squeezes. We're just doing these quick half lunges. Again, for some of you, this might be a full lunge, but traditionally full lunges are almost grazing that knee all the way down. So I'm just kind of coming down low enough just to get my hamstrings and my glutes engaged so I can pop right back up, boom, and get that cardio. So instruction's good. You probably don't need to hear me anymore. So we're gonna ramp up this music and we're gonna finish the rest of this workout. Let's get at it.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game I'm gonna play it, yeah.
1.
She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. Got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. I heard you look good when you're undressed.
5,
I heard you like to
4,
get away.
3, 2,
I heard you like to stay
1.
out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got
5,
a body like a
4,
coke thing.
3, 2, 1.
Baby, show me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This game ain't luck. If I slayed it, then I slayed it. If I'm hated, then I'm hated. If I made it, then I made it. Not cause it was destiny, not cause it was legacy. You won't get the best of me. I'm feeding off your jealousy. It's heresy, cause faith is very rare to me, and fate is always scared of me. I plan this out so carefully, so I become the best of me. I rest in peace successfully. No stress when I decompress. You see, I won't have any regrets for me when I take my final breath to be. I wanna leave a legacy, want a lot of equity. I want you to remember me with clarity. It's rare to see somebody just like me, somebody with honesty. We're living so fearfully, we live and die willingly, and almost instantly. We're full of hate and bigotry from social posts and imagery that aim to make hostility. We all react so differently, accept accountability, complaining almost instantly. What happened to our dignity? No sympathy.
Whew, I hope you enjoyed that post-Thanksgiving workout. Like I said, beginner, intermediate, advanced, cardio is cardio, okay? I'm breathing here. I could say my first and last name, Frank Wall, right? I could still say a sentence, but my heart rate is a little elevated. And yes, I did put this a beginner workout, and you even saw the video. If you made it all the way to the end and you're watching me now, my legs were a little blown out even from this because I decided to go skating yesterday. Not a smart idea to do skating for an hour, and I hadn't done it in like a couple months, so my legs are a little tight, but it doesn't matter. I'm here making it happen, and so can you. So I wanted to break down this video a little bit too, so feel free, if you want to click off the video, watch another workout, go for it. I'm just kind of explaining the rhyme to the reason for this workout for today. So this is one of my second cardio workouts. I did do an advanced lower body cardio, which is honestly just a lot of jumping, and jumping up and down a lot will get you pretty winded. But again, for that first move, the squat, the calf raise, overhead reach, it's like a full body movement. Again, when it comes to body weight exercises only, like in this video, you gotta get a little creative. So when I'm doing that squat to calf raise to overhead reach, extending at the shoulders, I feel my shoulders, my arms, I'm loosening them up. And again, I'm getting my calves. And the reason why I wanted to do a squat to calf raise was because of the fact for that second movement, we had that lateral shuffle. So I'm getting onto my calves, I'm shuffling back and forth. Yeah, for the purpose of this video, by all means, you probably could do it without a warm-up, but like I said, I would rather you always do some sort of warm-up or a mobility. So if you haven't seen it already, check out this video. It's my beginner foam rolling video. You could do that before each and every single one of my follow-along workouts, okay? So leading into that second move, we had that lateral shuffle. That's why I did the calf raise in the beginning. So when we're doing that lateral shuffle left and right, we're getting a little bit more onto our calves, onto the balls of our feet, with our pushing with our calves for the shuffle and using our quads. And then that move, cross touching, we're loosening up that lower back a little bit, we're working the legs, all right? Next one, I had the bear crawl, walking down, squat up, shuffle back. Doing that, we're getting the arms a little bit, we're getting the core. And as you can see, I was trying to keep my butt tucked down a little bit as I was crawling. And then I squatted back up and I shuffled back. And again, the idea behind even having that in there is just more movement. The more movement we have, the more cardio. You can see I'm still sweating after this workout is over, okay? And then the last one was just a quick reverse lunge to high knee. Normally that would be like a traditional, even a lifting move, but if you do it fast and body weight, you know, even with my own body weight for this workout, I was getting pretty tired, but just doing that quick repetitive movement, pulling that knee up, pulling the stomach inside, engaging those abs, keeping them pulled tight. Again, that's gonna work the glutes, it's gonna work the hamstrings, you're gonna feel your quads burning up a little bit, and that fast-paced move is gonna get your heart rate up. So again, I hope you enjoyed all these exercises. I hope you enjoyed the workout, and let me know down in the comments section below if you like the style of this. Did you like me explaining it, or would you just rather have the music going all the way through? I'm doing a lot of different things on this channel, trying to put a lot more videos. If you saw yesterday's Thanksgiving video, is just some things that I was grateful for, and you know, the importance of you know, having your health and taking care of yourself. It's your responsibility. So please go ahead and make sure you watch that video if you haven't already. And again, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching this workout, for kicking ass and pushing through it. And I can't wait to see you in the next workout.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have been much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to speak, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on a flag. I sail this ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash, I'm like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast. Never change my